So this code will flash the LED 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what I did was I used a schematic or a diagram, which will be in the description, but the only thing I changed on it was I put this ground into pin 6, which is this one right here, which is a ground, and then I put this white one into pin 11, which is GPIO 17. So, because in the diagram, it uses an earlier version of the Raspberry Pi, but this is the 3. So, and that's the code. It pretty much is just repeated over and over. I copied and pasted this much of it, and then I pasted it 4 times, so it would rewrite the code, so it would flash 4 times. I have not figured out how to make a loop yet, but yeah, so that's pretty much it. I have an LED, the 2 cables, the jumper wires, and a 220 ohm resistor. So that's pretty much all you need, and then I'll have the code so you can copy it into the description. There's probably an easier way to do this, but this I just started, and this is what I've figured out so far. Thank you for watching.